Mhm. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Trade. Today, we're just going to see some mid-market analysis and what the market has been doing so far. This is the 15-minute chart of Banknifty, and as you can see, we have rejected this level. Yesterday, I could not post my short video as I was a little busy, but this was a good resistance line. Obviously, if we had zoomed out, we could have clearly seen some sort of a resistance here. Exactly from there, we have taken a rejection, and now, as of now, it does look like a nice head and shoulder at the top pattern that is being formed and breaking down. We can possibly see a target until this trend line if we continue to fall. But the and if even if I put on the CPR, if we broke down from the CPR, probably this S1 is for sure 450. We'll have to see if the only thing that is worrying on the downside is the put open interest at this level. What is that? 40,500. You see, it is still not reducing. And if I just check this on an OI chart, see the call, we have the open interest going up, price is falling down, which is good. And on the put side, this just had a spike. But see, from the time I'm monitoring, we are only seeing the open interest that is going up. If this also falls, then it'll be a good move. We won't get that immediate bounce back. Otherwise, if we just see the chart pattern right on this 15 minutes, see after getting a nice move on the upside, some kind of a head and shoulder pattern is formed. If we plot the exact head and shoulder using this, see if the about 240 points down, and for intraday we always take the 50% also. 245 means around 120, right, on 125 or so, where we also have the S1 of CPR. So this can be the head and shoulder targets on the downside. And even based on the CPR, we have S1 at this level. Let's see what the see the put just jumped. This was a good zero to hero trade actually. If somebody could enter at 52, it's already doubled, and you can see the drop in OI. Let's see if this continues, then the drop also will continue. See, this is where we were monitoring, right? From here I was monitoring, we got a spike up and it is coming down. Even on this chart, when we check, yeah, you see from the previous, when I started this, we were somewhere close to the 60 level, right? We suddenly had this drop, and that's where the drop is coming on the downside. Looking at this 5-minute chart, this is a good, nice move on the downside. We also have this type of a head and shoulder breakdown where our first target was this 440,430, and the second target would be here around 317, but we can keep it as the previous day low. The S1 is almost hit, and if you can see this drop in OI, this is actually a good sign indicating we could get a bigger fall, but we'll just have to wait for the price action. Nifty from morning has a better view, better move compared to Bank Nifty. From the moment when the CPR broke, it was an entry, we got some pullback, and again a dip now. And if you see, this could be exactly the retracement. No, not yet. See, from morning, the kind of view that we had worked out, where we had a view we won't go higher and we'll get a slip. Now this type of a head and shoulder pattern also kicked in. Let's see if we hit the previous day low. As of now, this is a good target achieved on the lower time frame. In case we bounce from here, probably the short trade can be exited, but we can continue until the max target I'm seeing is 40,450, as long as this keeps changing. That is the OI. You see there's a significant, there is a lot of call writing that's come in, and the put writing has dropped significantly. If you look at this, yeah, that's what we see here. From almost like 10 lakhs or 1 crore or something, we have dropped until 73, the overall open interest, and the call 500 has significantly increased, which is a good sign. If you see the overall open interest, we have some call writing that is increased. Not expecting a big move, maximum probably max until here 40,340. Let's just check the global market as well. Sorry. The European markets are down, and the US market is also flat, which is all good, pointing on the downside. In case we get that type of a zero to hero trade where things go against our view, is probably when this type of a trend line breaks, then probably 40,500 call can shoot up to 100 or 200 until the day's high. So as of now, everything looks down, with the first target that is hit, that is 430, 40,430, and the next target is 40,443. That's it with this quick update for today. Let's again come tomorrow, and probably will stay live for a